So here's the charging and loading the battery for the LAWNMASTER OcuMower. So this is the robot mower from LAWNMASTER. Here's the it's just a quick view of the mower for now, but here's the spot where you are going to attach the battery. So the battery is included in the purchase. It's a 24-volt battery, and it has a charger as well. So all you need to do is to just push it in that slot. It's at the back of the robot mower. Make sure the battery is charged full before you use it. So this one I haven't charged it, so this came with this charger, and you'll just have to attach it to the charger and make sure that it's all fully charged before you go and get it to working in your lawn. So again, when you purchase it, it has the battery and the battery charger. So only one battery is included, and then the flashing light means it's charging and it will stop when it's done.